Hello everyone, this is introduction of Swift layout. If all the panels are the same and cable wiring for each port is the same as well, you can use the Swift layout function to finish screen configuration quickly. Operation steps. Number 1. Run VMP software. Select a device or device group in device list. Number 2. Go to Layout page. Click Swift Layout at the top right of the Ethernet port list. Number 3. Drag the mouse to the canvas and add panels based on the actual panel layout. Choose the correct panel wiring and click down. Then the screen will be configured perfectly.